The Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation has released a statistics report of agriculture and allied sectors. The message given by the government is that agriculture allied sectors play a vital role in Indian economy. It contributes around 18% of country's gross value added at basic prices in 2022 to 2023. This is the 16th publication, first brought in 1985, containing state-wise item-wise value of output for period of 2011 to 12 to 2022 to 23 at current and constant prices. Preface says that at national level, national income and macroeconomic aggregates are released. And it is titled as National Account Statistics. The agricultural statistical system in India is a vast as well as complex collection of data for agriculture and allied sectors. And where do they get sources? They get sources like central and state government, autonomous body, which is challenging and time consuming. Next we go to the introduction. They say the role of agriculture and allied sectors is a significant contributor to India's national GDP. But the agriculture proportion has steadily declined due to rise in industries. So they say that the significant change has happened in crop diversification and the use of genetically modified crops marketing strategies. Application of biotechnology in livestock sector has increased the output of livestock products, prawn farming, commercialization of fish farming in recent years in fishing sectors. So it is necessary to analyze as to how value of output of different commodities belonging to agriculture and allied sectors have changed. So we are going to see how the sectors has undergone changes. For analyzing and preparing the estimate of national income related to agriculture sector, NAD has accumulated a large body of data. National Accounts Division has collected a large data from government departments and other agencies to meet the objective from the year 1985. So the four subsectors of agriculture are crop, livestock, forestry, logging, fishing and aquaculture. The economic activities included in gross value output from crop sector are growing of field crops, fruits, nuts, seeds, vegetables, management of tea, coffee, rubber plantations, agriculture, horticulture services on a fee or contract basis, such as harvesting, balling, thrashing. Everything is considered into a statistics preparation analysis process. So it is a long time series of collecting a data for gross value output for goods belonging to such sectors. And for the livestock sector, they include the consideration of breeding, rearing of animals, poultry, production of milk, honey, silkworm, everything we consider for livestock sector. And for forestry and logging sector, they classify forest product to two. This is for industrial wood and fuel wood. Large number of wild growing forest material, bamboo, fodder, sandalwood, honey, vegetable hair, horse chestnuts are also included for forest product calculations. And when we go for aquaculture sector, fishing, they include commercial fishing from ocean, offshore waters, inland waters, catching, gathering of fish from rivers, subsistence fishing in inland waters, everything is considered. Gathering of seaweeds, seashells, pearls are also considered for aquaculture sector. And then salting and sun drying of fish are also included in fishing sector to calculate the statistics. So the statistical report on value of output from agriculture allied sectors says that agriculture and allied sector accounted for 18.2% of GVA at current prices. So the GVA of countries showing a fluctuating trend compared to 2011 to 2012. So the crop subsector remains the largest contributor of GVO, gross value output of agriculture and allied sector, though its contribution has gradually declined. So it says that subsector crops has declined its contribution for GVO from 62.4% to 54.3%. So among the crop subsector, the crop subsectors like cereals, fruits, vegetables contributed nearly 55% of GVO. Uttar Pradesh recorded the highest output of cereals since 2011 to 12, but says that India's output has marginally decreased from 18.6% to 16.9%. Output of fruits, vegetables has increased from 287.4 thousand crore to 434.7 thousand crore. Although West Bengal has reported the highest output in fruits and vegetables in these years, but its share in India has reduced from 13.9% to 11.4%. Gram and Arha together contributed 59% output of pulses. Madhya Pradesh recorded the highest output in pulses during 2022 to 23. So its contribution is 22%. So we saw Uttar Pradesh recorded the highest output of cereals, while here Madhya Pradesh recorded the highest output in pulses. Groundnut and soya beans has given the highest output in oilseeds, with 54% in this group it seems. We see Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra contributed for India's output of oilseeds. And Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugarcane and alone accounted for nearly 41% in 2011 to 12, which has increased to 54.5% of India's output of sugar crops in 2022 to 23. And we see the share of milk, meat, eggs in output of livestock subsector was 66.5, 23.6, 30.7% in 2022 to 2023. We see output of industrial wood, fuel wood, NDFP value as 68%, 20%, 12% in 2022 to 2023. It is seen that it has increased. We also see that output of fishing and aquaculture subsector increased steadily from 80,000 crore to 195,000 crore. We see Andhra Pradesh as the largest producer of fishing and aquaculture, where its share has increased from 17.7 to 40.9. And here is the abbreviations that you need to know. Here are states that dominates the agriculture sectors.